You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. These body baby.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Wigs to Wasteland, or Mika Lynn, back with another video. This one will be a little bit more lengthy. This will be a style talk through. So if you are interested in finding out all about Miss Sierra, part of the Blowout collection for Jenna Collection, then definitely keep on watching. First and foremost, big thank you to WigTypes.com for sending out this unit. Definitely appreciate it. So by now, I think everyone in the wig community has seen this line by Janet Collection, and I'm gonna be real honest with you, nothing about this unit really jumped out at me, and I haven't seen any reviews. I always wait until after I do mine, so I don't go into it with someone else's opinion. So Miss Sierra, I'm already liking the texture on here. Now my light is definitely giving off like bright city, but there is no luster to this unit, so she looks really good. The curls are nice and full and bouncy. I don't think I'm going to have to pluck the part. It looks okay. I might have to go in and pluck just a little bit out of the front of this unit, but the best part, which I hope is the best part, is the lace on here. It looks really good. Lately with these HD lace units, they're either super ashy or they're, you know, okay. It looks like it blends really good with my skin tone, so I may have to go in, darken it, lighten it. We're gonna see. This line has not been big head friendly, so I'm really hoping that it's a little bit more roomy. The cap construction looks pretty good, does have some stretch to it, so yeah, I'm okay. I'm getting a little excited. So I'm gonna be using my bedhead Wave Artist by TIGI. So I have this already ready to go. We're gonna go ahead, let me flatten this fro, and we will get into Miss Sierra. Oh, I'm loving the texture already. Cap is okay. It's a snug fit. I would probably get a headache throughout the day. It is a little on the tight side. For a synthetic unit, this looks pretty good. This looks really good. Okay.
Take it personal, but I ain't lying. I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up.
Trying to see how this looks on camera. To me, it looks okay.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be
there is your proof. Even wig reviewers make a mistake or two. So I just filled it in with some black lip liner. I plucked it just a little too much. I'm not used to plucking while it's on my head, so that's expected, but we're still gonna make it work. I don't know. There's something about not only this heavy bang, but there's something about these curls that I'm not liking. They're very tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can maybe brush them out a little bit more. Okay.
Original Batman.
Ah, okay.
This song for them. Lego. Original Batman. His body baby.
It's fake kills.
This unit is too heavy. I'm really nervous to do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut off some of this hair, and I'm thinking like maybe that much. Cause I'm usually like team big hair, but this is like, I don't know, this is really overpowering. So let's go ahead and
What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and pull out the big guns because this unit, it's still too much. It's too poofy. The curls are still too tight. So time for the big guns.
They got to go. Don't worry, we need no bed. Come on, calm down.
As I mentioned, nothing really stood out with Miss Sierra, and I really just wanted to try all of the units in the collection, especially with this being part of the blowout collection. And final thoughts on this unit, girl, whoo, when you talk about work, this is the most work I've had to put into a unit, period. So with these blowout textures, I don't know why blowout equals big hair. Sometimes it works, sometimes it's good to a fault, okay? Sometimes it doesn't really look the way you want it to. Now, as I told you guys, the hairline on here is super bomb. That is probably the best part about this unit besides the texture. The hairline just melts like butter. So I'm really liking the hairline. It's an okay unit. I do have one of my little bobby pins peeking here. It's an okay unit. It's just not my favorite. The biggest con with this unit is the curls. They're just very tight, they're very voluminous, and they're very heavy at the bottom, and it just weighs down the whole unit. So I'm not, you know, she's okay. She's giving me kind of like that old Hollywood look. She's actually kind of giving me that Claire Huxtable vibe, okay? I think it just could have been better executed with this length, especially if you're fluffy like your girl here. You want something that's just going to add to you and not add to you, if you get what I'm saying. So hope you guys did enjoy this review. If you are interested in checking out Sierra or any of the units that I have reviewed for Janet Collection or their blowout line, definitely check the care cards that have been popping up in the video. Don't forget to give this one a thumbs up. I need all of you to do me a favor. Click that bell and make sure your notifications are set to all. Thank you so much to WigTypes.com for sending out the unit. Definitely appreciate it. And of course, big thank you to all of you. You guys are the glue that keeps this channel going. So thank you so much. Stay tuned for the Instagram shout outs. And as always, ladies, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
What's up, everyone? Time for some Instagram shout outs. You know what time it is. Time for some Instagram shout outs. So big thank you to all of you for liking, subscribing, commenting on the YouTube channel, and most importantly, thank you so much for also following me on Instagram. Thank you is never enough. So thank you to Centoya for liking the video. Chalk Diva 84, thank you so much for liking the video as well. I do want to highlight all of you for following me JM_XX. Thank you for following. Beautiful Hair 188. Thank you for the follow. If you do see your name, it does not go unnoticed. So thank you so much for all the support. Kiki's Nail Bar. Thank you so much for the follow. PA Mela 16 or 6142. Big thank you to you as well. So as always, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are sharing with your family and friends. Drop a comment down below. Follow your girl on Instagram. Direct link in the description box down below. And as always, ladies, I will talk to you later.
Bad man.
It's VQ.
Standard.